Hey, so let's make a tray. This drum sander works really well on sanding the bottom. So here I'm just cutting the rabbets for the slot that the tray will sit in, the panel will sit in, and I'm testing the fit right here. It's around 3/16 of an inch. Now we just use the good old blue tape trick on the outside. These are already mitered. I cut the two parts on the with the handles on my laser. We're just measuring the length and the width, and we're adding 3/16 on each side. Take your time when cutting your panel. Now let's glue it up. I used some Titebond Quick and Thick. Have a lot less runoff.